Am I happy with Tulip remodeling? I mean, there's almost no words. It's like joy. When I first met Oran, I have no expectation. I don't know what to expect, but it was always surprising to me that everything goes so smoothly. And then every time when I step back into my home and look at the progress, I just see a great quality of work. The communication from the beginning to the end of this project, it was great. In the end, about this project, I have to say, my concern almost minimal. Like they already thought about everything for me beforehand, which is unexpected.
We did here a major remodeling. It was a full remodeling throughout the house. It's a full kitchen remodeling. We installed floor throughout the house, or rewired the house, new lighting throughout the house. It used to be 1.5 bathrooms, so now it's 2 full bathrooms. Also here you can see we added more cabinetry, or like a working space, a little office. In this bedroom, we used to have some closets. We removed them. We make this built-in closet, as you can see right here. And then we created the entrance to the bathroom from the bedroom itself, not from the hallway. Clients want to have both walk-in shower, as you can see, and a freestanding tub. This whole area used to be a wall. So we opened up this wall. We created here this French door to go outside to the deck area with a patio cover. You can see all the outside.
I would totally recommend Tulip remodeling to anybody who actually have any kind of renovation in their mind. It's just they're just a high integrity company. The workers are wonderful. They are friendly. They are almost so happy just to work, which, you know, it's amazing to watch them work on the project, and then it just watch happy people working on the project, I should say it that way. So yes, high recommendation for, you know, Tulip remodeling if you have any project in mind.